I'm surrounded by guitar projects, and it was just Thanksgiving here in America, and that means not so much time to work on guitar projects. But I did want to give you guys a little bit of a status update. This right here was once the pinkest pink. Now it is more of a baby pink. I'm in the process of repainting it. I have recovered the front of it, but as you can see, the back still needs a coat. This project has been a bitch to get through. It has caused me a lot of problems, all of which has been widely covered in other videos, which I will link to above. The neck is really nice. It was finished with true oil, and it has been sitting for quite a while now, and it feels really good. I didn't really know what I was doing when I was using a paint gun, and I was trying to mix my own paint, and it was just too many new things all at once, so I messed it up real good. So now I'm trying to recover. The black Strat. So the black Stratocaster, as you can see, is still in two pieces. I am in the process of adding and finishing up the clear coat. I can't hang the guitars and paint both sides, so I put them on a Lazy Susan that can spin around, if you haven't seen it in my other videos. And I paint one side, or clear coat one side. And then once this is ready, then I can turn it over. So once that's done, of course, it's just a matter of putting it together. Speaking of which, this beast here. This was all put together, and then it didn't work. And I took it apart, and there was a loose connection. I fixed the loose connection, and all the connections are tight now. For some reason, it still doesn't work. So either the pot is messed up, or the wire is messed up, or the solder itself is done so badly because I'm new at it that it's messed up. So I'm still troubleshooting this one. It's been taking a lot longer than I wanted to, but this whole guitar is a bonus guitar, which wasn't planned, so it's a bonus either way. I'm going to be donating this one once it's done. I've been wanting something to compare with for quite a while. I've been looking for the right Fender guitar, and I think I finally found it. This is the Fender Player Series Stratocaster, made in Mexico, in electron green. It's the new standard model, and it is just wonderful. I've had the opportunity to play on it for a little while now, yeah, what can I say? It's a Stratocaster. It has all the things that you want in a Stratocaster. It sounds like a Stratocaster, quacks like a Stratocaster, plays phenomenally on a 9.5 radius fretboard with jumbo frets. I happen to prefer maple fretboards, which this has. It has a nice glossy finish on the top, but it's satin on the back, so you can play it very smoothly. And other than that, it's a standard Strat in every single way. It has standard tuners. You could replace those with locking tuners if you like. A single string tree. Instead of just talking about it, I'm going to play a little demo. I made a little track in GarageBand on iPad, so nothing fancy. Both rhythm guitar and lead guitar is played with this guitar. Alder body, maple neck, ceramic pickups, made in Mexico, electron green. I call it super green. And yeah, there we are.